Today I'm going to walk you through how to change the auto-lock timer for your OneDrive personal vault. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust how long your personal vault stays unlocked on your account, so you can balance security and convenience, and never worry about being locked out too soon or leaving things open too long. Let's dive right in. First, it's important to know that as of 2025, the OneDrive personal vault lets you set how quickly it locks itself automatically. The choices are 20 minutes, which is the default, 1 hour, 2 hours, or even 4 hours. Adjusting this timer controls how much idle time can pass before your locked files become inaccessible again, so think of it kind of like setting the timer on a time-locked safe. Only instead of getting up and twiddling with a dial, you're literally just clicking a few buttons. Pretty slick, right? The best way to change this setting is through the OneDrive Desktop app for Windows, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Why desktop? Because it's the most reliable. The timer you set here will be reflected everywhere else you access your vault, which keeps things consistent and a lot less confusing. Alright, let's get started. First, look in your system tray at the bottom right corner of your Windows PC. There's a little cloud icon there. This is your OneDrive running quietly in the background. Go ahead and give that icon a click. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click the little arrow to show hidden icons in your taskbar, and then you should find it. Don't worry if it looks a bit different. That cloud could be white or blue depending on whether you're signed in with a personal or work account. Once you've clicked that icon, a small window will pop up. In the upper right of that window, you'll see a gear icon. This stands for Help and Settings. Go ahead and click it. You'll get a menu of options, and from there select Settings. This takes you to the OneDrive Settings window, where you can fine-tune the app just the way you want. Next, look over at the sidebar on the left and click the Account tab. This area covers everything related to your storage, syncing, and in this case, your personal vault security. Scroll down to the section labeled Personal Vault, here where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says something like Lock Personal Vault After, and there'll be a drop-down menu right next to it. Click that menu and you'll be offered those 4 time choices: 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. Now pick the one that fits your needs best. If you're working with extra sensitive documents or you're using a shared computer, a shorter lock time like 20 minutes might be smarter. But if you find yourself constantly having to unlock the vault while you're working, selecting 2 or 4 hours can save you the hassle without sacrificing too much privacy. You really get to choose the balance that gives you peace of mind. The cool part, once you make your selection, the change applies immediately. There's no save button, no confirmation pop-up. You're done. If you ever want to adjust it again, just repeat these steps. It really is that easy. And that's it. You've just increased your control over your OneDrive personal vault security. If this video helped you, drop a like below, and if you have any questions or found any of the steps tricky, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss a quick, clear tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a secure day ahead.